Alright, so I got the side panels off so I can get in there a little bit easier. And now we'll continue with removing all the rest of the parts. Yippee! Alright, so update. I got the gantry off, and now I'm working on getting the Y motor assembly off. Hi, puppy. Alright, and with 4 more screws on that, this full assembly popped out. And I took this all as one piece. I'm going to try to reuse that extruder for the time being. And still got to figure out, I think I might end up moving the original, sorry about that, got a frog in my throat, the original power box, control box, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so I got the bottom panel off. Cool part is I think I can reuse the bed wiring for now, because I'm not going to do the Hydra mod yet. So meanwhile, this will be getting replaced. Their original board, this is just going to stay in here unplugged because, well, it's pretty much useless, and I think the rest of it should be okay. I'm gonna put the Big Tree Tech Octopus Pro. It's an older board now, but hey, you know, beggars can't be choosers, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna get the box removed and then I'll come back. Okay, so got the box removed. Little tip that I picked up from YouTube is that, like these that are hot glued in place, you can use a little alcohol guess that was a lot of alcohol, and then they let go. Oh, that's right, I'm gonna use no clips. Okay, well, find out. Maybe. Could be, who knows. And see how easy this one comes up. Now about this one. Alright, some zippers. Alcohol. Oops. Oh well. That could be pushed back on. Or in this case, just taken off, because I doubt I'm going to reuse this board. And then we can get this undone. The cool part is they already put ferrules on these connectors, so I don't have to do that later. Well, I mean, as long as they reach would be the little disclaimer there. And I'm pretty sure I will be using these tie-downs, but it's always nice to have it loose so you can get where you want it. Alrighty, so we can get this, where did it go? Get this worked out, just this size. And I do apologize for shaky video, but I don't know what the heck I thought I meant for my camera, so I'm using my phone. No, this one. You guys probably say right out that too, so he's not gonna do it. You were right. Holy crap, there was one more. I should mention it. Alright, moment of truth. And it looks like it will work. Just barely. Let's get these out of the way. Well, I'm going to have to make an adapter plate. And we're probably going to have to mount it this way. So that you can get to... Alright, so I got the box mounted to the back. I just drilled some screw holes. Got 3 of them lined up, and well, that one's not going in because it doesn't line up. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Okay, when all is said and done, that's pretty much how it's gonna sit in its, well, TARDIS. Yep. But I think it's actually going to work out pretty good having that mounted back there like that. The power plug's going to be way back there out of the way. This is going to be slid over here, the whole printer. And then filament, and the screen's going to be over here.